Well, you may have noticed that on the beginning of this video, there's now a couple of ads. Well, I have monetized my channel. I was not going to, but YouTube left me no choice because they wanted to monetize my channel and they wanted all the monetization to go to them. Let me tell you a little bit more about it. So let's get into my back pages of my YouTube channel and have a sticky beak at some of the things which I actually have back here. One of the first things I did when I actually got that email from YouTube was have a look at the terms of service. So I went specifically to the terms of service that I had to agree to be able to continue making and running a YouTube channel. And one of those was I grant to YouTube the right to monetize my content on the service. And such monetization may include displaying ads on or within content or charging users a fee for access. Well, I didn't have a choice of this. I had to agree to that to maintain my channel. So I wondered about this. I've been eligible to be able to monetize my channel for quite some time. So one of the things I decided to do was monetize it and control what ads are actually put up and how long those ads are there for. So you may have noticed that at the beginning of this video, there's now a clickable ad. So you could click to bypass that ad where you would not have had that choice previously if YouTube so wanted. They may have very well put up 2.5 minute ads at the beginning of the video. Now, if they did that, it could be the death of my channel or anybody else. So to stay in control, I had to monetize so I could actually put a restriction on those ads and say, okay, you can click to bypass. So that's good. It's giving a little bit more control to me, but I'll give you a bit more information about my back office now, which is what you might find interesting. Since inception, when I first started, I've had 632,000 views, which is incredible. I'm so humbled by that. 632,000 views. 632,000 times people have enjoyed my video, which is great. Watch time is 48.5 thousand hours, and I have a grand total of 5,617 subscribers, which again knocks me for a six, because there's, once again, so many people enjoy what I do. And this is something you might find interesting. I monetized my channel 3 days ago. And since then, I've earned a grand total of $1.37 in revenue. Looks like I've got an early retirement plan. So anyway, that means it's working. People are clicking to bypass, and that's the important thing. I want to make sure that people had a maximum viewing pleasure for my channel and not have it full of ads at the beginning, during the video, and at the end of the video too. So now it's more control, and I'm controlling it. All right, so that's my back office. There is you might be interested in this little graph here. See that little peak there goes up to around about 3,202 views per day. That's on Sunday, May the 24th, 2020, last year. But you'll be wondering why it's down here, 500, 400, 300, 200 views per day. All of a sudden, poof, jumps up to there to 3,000 views. Then all of a sudden, YouTube realizes they've made a mistake, so they bring it back down to a lower number. So realistically, what was happening in that area, YouTube was actually promoting it wider around the world. Then they realized they made a mistake, so they now started promoting it minimalistic around the world. That's a subject for another video, another day. Well, I just thought I'd throw this video together for you to explain why that monetization is at the beginning of my videos now. I'm just in the process of getting ready to do a video about wild yeast, which I hope to publish today. And I thought I'd just put this together for you. So just a quick video. Until next time.